Okay, shoot it to the line.
Alright. Pull.
There you go.
Pull. Pull.
She ran from you. There you go. That was easy. You got to put it out there a little bit for
I know.
Work out.
Now you just patronize me. Yeah.
That's just flattery is all that was.
Alright, John.
Hey, there you go. Brad's got it. Go for it.
Alright. Ready?
Boy, I only get one shot with that. That's hard to get used to.
This is really... Yeah, you go for the pump and it's not there.
Yeah, we'll do some up there.
I'm going to try to keep this quick action.
Alright, pull.
There you go. If you want to come over here, get some earplugs and plug your ears still, okay?
Pocket like
Pull.
Daddy,
Hey,
what did I say to do to those?
break them up. Shoot them.
You
It's-
did good, Daddy.
Thank you. It's target practice. So that when it's time to shoot geese and ducks and grouse and pheasants and things, you have it ready. Woo! One more. Good.
No.
You did that one, John?
No, I shot over.
Oh.
That's all right. Pull.
There you go. Woo! Nuts.
I can't wait until these boys hit the first one, you know? And they'll be like, oh, that's what it is. I can't wait until these boys hit the first one, you know? And they'll be like, oh, that's what it is. There it is. Hey! Right on.
Good work.
Good work. Hey, the last one? Pull. Not all of them. You can be part of the game here. Grandma scared you.